my gosh! Cows flying through the air over the lush. Green fields of Switzerland rescued by helicopters. The amazing blend of technology and creativity has helped safely bring cows stranded in high treacherous areas back down. Cows flying through the air over them. Green fields of Switzerland rescued by helicopters. Of technology and creativity has helped safely bring cows stranded in high treacherous areas back down. Let's explore the journey of transporting livestock across vast, pristine lands. Fraser's Transport's specialized vehicles are the perfect companion for this mission. Transporting livestock across vast and harsh lands requires powerful, durable vehicles with a minimum of 500 horsepower. The process of loading the cattle onto the truck must ensure safety while keeping the herd comfortable throughout the long journey. The pig loading truck Muzaffar Nagar is a specialized vehicle designed to transport pigs safely and efficiently. Equipped with a powerful engine and typically featuring 3 levels, the truck optimizes space, allowing for the transport of a large number of pigs in a single trip. It's hard to take your eyes off this massive machine. The Caterpillar 6040X. The excavator is equipped with a powerful diesel engine, delivering up to 600 horsepower. To load Hitachi EH3500 dumpers, weighing up 330,693 pounds. This excavator optimizes the transportation of heavy materials efficiently. Oh my gosh! The amazing blend. Built to operate in extreme conditions, this machine stands out with its deep drilling capability and high precision. The Sandvik Ranger DX800i, an advanced tunneling drill, is equipped with a powerful 15 horsepower diesel engine. With its deep drilling capability and ability to handle complex terrains, this machine optimizes drilling processes and boosts productivity. Designed for earth-moving grading and compaction, this machine delivers exceptional performance in construction and mining projects. The Caterpillar 24, a massive wheel compactor, features a 10 horsepower diesel engine and weighs up to 198,416 pounds. The Clearwater rinse system is an amazing breakthrough in aircraft maintenance technology. Don't miss the chance to see this. The Hitachi X8000 excavator is an incredibly powerful machine with a 1,100 horsepower engine and an astounding weight of around 1,700, 63,696 pounds. Built for large mining operations, it excels at handling massive amounts of earth and rock. The Liebherr LTM16 58.1 is an incredibly powerful mobile crane. Equipped with a 5 and 50 horsepower engine and weighing 132 and 277 pounds. The crane can lift up to 1,543, 34 pounds, providing exceptional performance for large construction projects. Snow melters are powerful machines, equipped with a 500 horsepower engine and weighing 40 than 192 pounds, specifically designed to melt snow and ice during the winter. These machines ensure smooth and safe traffic on roads, at airports and in public areas. Incredible! The Rockback RA30 can transport loads of up to 66, 138 pounds, delivering outstanding efficiency for construction projects. Equipped with a 276 horsepower diesel engine, this dump truck operates with powerful performance, easily tackling even the harshest terrains with maximum efficiency. The Caterpillar 360 Civic Excavator is a versatile machine in the mining industry, equipped with a 330 horsepower engine and weighing 121,253 pounds. This excavator delivers impressive performance, optimizing tasks and shortening material transport time. When it comes to handling massive blast rocks, the Bucyrus Erie 380W is the ideal choice. With a 500 horsepower diesel engine and weighing 352,339 pounds, this excavator delivers exceptional power, optimizing performance in mining operations. It's hard to believe. The Bagger 288, the largest digging machine in the world, weighs an astonishing 29,196 pounds. With its ability to dig deep and move massive amounts of earth, it has become a symbol of power and efficiency in the mining industry. The LT50 L1850 loader is one of the most powerful loaders, featuring a 950 horsepower diesel engine and weighing up to 440,924 pounds. Designed for mining operations, this machine excels at digging and lifting heavy materials, significantly reducing project timelines. Have you ever seen such a powerful drilling machine? The Liebherr LB36 drill rig is a heavy-duty drill, equipped with a 570 horsepower diesel engine and weighing up to 286,600 pounds.